Preston and Pey. Here you go, production. Hi! We got this awesome Pokemon thing. Yeah. Boys and girls, look. Detective Pikachu, Psyduck, and Mewtwo, Bulbasaur, and then another Pikachu. And then if you look at the back, it's Mr. Malaya. Here. The Mewtwo bag. Mommy, Mewtwo bag.
Mewtwo bad, the Mewtwo's a good guy.
When at the beginning of the movie, Mewtwo was nice and he was showing to his father, and then he accidentally saw those guys, and then he was stuck in because they moved him, and then at the end, when it was almost at the end, Mewtwo turned bad because of the purple gas. Pikachu. How is it? Oh, then here's another Pikachu.
What's the difference?
The difference is because of his hands and his hat.
Alright, what else do you have in there? So you have two
I
Pikachus.
have this thing. Eat play!
What is he?
I don't know. It almost sounds like and this is Mewtwo. Look, you can twist his tail too and move his arms and move his legs. But these guys, they can't.
Can I see the box?
This is Psyduck.
Hey, how put
Quack,
this?
quack, 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 quack. This is quack, quack.
So this guy, what are the names of the nickname? Detective Pikachu, Psyduck, Bulbasaur, Ludicolo.
Look there, Daddy. And look, you could also twist his hands too. Oh, that one.
That's the same one, buddy.
Yeah. And then this is Venusaur.
Okay, you guys done?
Yeah. Bye, boys and girls. I hope you liked this video. Tell me what kind of Pokemon do you like and what other toys they have. Mario, Sonic, or Pokemon. Bye.
What do you say? Hit that like button.
And hit subscribe. Bye. PresPey with Preston and Pey. Here you go, production.